Alright, so in this video you are going to learn how to play the lo-fi sample you heard in the beginning. But before we get into today's tutorial, I'm going to take you through something very brief about lo-fi.
What did you say lo-fi hip-hop is?
Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss my next video, because in my next video I'm going to teach you how to play the Entry Fox intro song. So be sure to hit the subscribe button and set on notifications so that you will not miss that video when it drops. Yeah, so now back to what lo-fi is all about. Yeah, so lo-fi music refers to a genre of music produced with low fidelity signals. Yeah, that's all. That's basically everything about it. Music produced with low fidelity signals, typically creating the hiss, warble, and saturation of recordings made with tape machines. In order not to take much of your time, let's get back into the tutorial. Okay, so let me start with the chord. The first chord is a C major 7. C major 7th chord. Then you come to the B dominant 7th chord. Then you come to the E minor chord. E minor chord. Minor 7th chord, I mean. They are all 7th chord. C minor 7th chord, B dominant 7th chord, E minor 7th chord, and the right hand, E, J, B,